Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to evaluate product reviews for better shopping on Temu. So let's just get straight into the video. So evaluating products on or product reviews on Temu requires a critical eye to separate genuine feedback from potential marketing content, as the platform often displays numerous high-star reviews. So the first thing you want to do is prioritize reviews with photos and videos, see actual quality. So photos and videos posted by users offer a realistic view of the product quality, color, and size, allowing you to compare them with the manufacturer's often polished images. Also, you want to simply go ahead and check for verified status and recent activity. Look for a verification. Prioritize reviews from users labeled as verified or purchased. You can also read the recent reviews, so filter by most recent, because older reviews might reflect a different quality standard than what it is currently being shipped at. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.